Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a monogram logo using the grid method. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select Polar Grid tool. Click. Take concentric divider 6 and radial divider 0 from here. Click OK. Hold Alt and Shift and make them bigger. Now select a stroke color. Increase the stroke color. After that, select all. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it like this. Intersect with this path. Now select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle from this to this path. Like this. Hold Alt and copy. And place it on this side. OK. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Perfect. Select this. Right-click and ungroup. Now hold Shift and select these three shapes. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. After that, select all. And go to the stroke panel. Increase the stroke thickness to around 8 point. Now select all. And go to the object. Expand, and click OK. And go to the Pathfinder, Compound. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.